Actually today I am trying to make the layered latte. So there is one technique. The technique, first of all, you have to pour the steam milk. Then after that you have to take the one shot of coffee, the espresso coffee. After that you just pour the coffee. So this is the layered latte coffee. This looks very nice, tremendous. And just for your information, what is the difference between the latte and the cappuccino? There is difference. The latte is lighter than cappuccino, and there is milk measurement should be 70 to 75 ml, and coffee measurement should be 25 ml. Thank you. There you go.